This is a used 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, electric trunk, heated steering wheel, push-button start, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, remote start, steering wheel controls, memory seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, a passenger airbag, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.